Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to upload CapCut projects from Android to PC. So let's get started. If you use CapCut as your regular video editor on your mobile phone or on your PC, you can edit on both devices. So this is a mobile version, so you can upload into your PC version, synchronize it. So make sure you make an account first. So this is for free. You can make account or join CapCut Pro. You need to purchase some plane there, and after that you can use this space. This is I'm not join Pro, so I have only 15 GB storage, free storage. And if you turn on auto upload, you get 5 GB for addition. So if you want to a purchase plan, you can get 100 GB or even 1000 GB, or you can join Pro. If you join Pro, you can get 100 GB cloud space storage. So after you learn about this cloud space, you can upload your projects. This one, for example, a this is you can tap on this sorry, let's get back. This one, go to the home page, tap on three dots at the beside your projects and upload to the space. It's very easy. Tap upload and done. So after this, you can open your PC first version of CapCut or mobile version, vice versa. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also click the next button below. See you in the next video.